Hello and welcome back to the Welsh Gardener, and in today's video, well, for my birthday I got this, which is a Espresso Mushroom Company Kitchen Garden Pearl Oyster Mushroom Growing Kit. So you're meant to do is you're meant to get the grow bag with the mushroom spores and the mushroom compost in, and you're meant to open this cross here and soak it in water for 12 hours. So what I did, I put it in late last night. I put it in a big bowl of water and I put some weights on top of it. So I left that there to soak overnight. And then this morning I took it out, drained the water out and pushed some of the air out of the bag. And now what we're going to do is I'm going to show you the rest. So I thought a better than 12-hour video, I can show you the exciting better bits. And if you want to see the progress of this as it grows and we start picking mushrooms, you can follow my Instagram page, The Welsh Gardener, so you can have more updates and also exclusive content that you get on there. So this is already starting to grow. I can see the spores already starting to expand and get bigger. So what comes in this kit is this grow bag, which is it comes in an outer bag, and you just have to cut it out and cut this cross open before you soak it for 12 hours. You get the box that you grow it in is the outer box, and you take this perforated flap out and the mushrooms will grow out of this. And then you get a little mister, a spray bottle, so you can use that. You're meant to twice a day, you're meant to just spray by the hole to make sure that it stays damp, because otherwise they'll dry out and nothing will happen, because mushrooms, they naturally grow in a very moist environment. So we've got grow bag, spray mister, and then we've got this, which is, it shows their other products, and it also gives you a 15% off code, and it gives you some recipes that you can use your mushrooms in. So the first one is hot pink mushroom maki, which looks like sushi, and you can get pearl oyster mushroom risotto. So I think I'll be trying some of them once it's grown. So I'll put all this to the side now and I'll show you how you do the rest. So I'm just going to open up this box and I'll just drop it in slowly and carefully and make sure that the flaps are open so it's easily sprayed tomorrow morning and tonight. And then I'll just fold up and close the top. So that's how you do your Espresso Mushroom Company Pearl Oyster mushrooms. And I think I might in the future buy their other ones, which are you can make hot pink mushrooms, which are the oyster mushrooms, but they're pink ones. I might try them because that'd be a nice addition. But I'm going to put these in somewhere. You're not allowed to put it in direct sunlight, but you're supposed to have it in some light, but not loads of light, like it would be on a forest floor where mushrooms naturally grow. But I think, would you like to see more mushroom growing videos in the future? Because I might think about trying to set up an area in the garden where I can grow natural field mushrooms or anything like that, some edible mushrooms. So if you do, tell me in the comments and I'll try and learn with you, because I haven't ever grown mushrooms outside properly before or foraged or anything, so that'd be quite interesting. So if you enjoyed this video, I know it's a bit short, but if you enjoyed this video, could you please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll see you next time.